This is the Seneca series Waterless diffuser, and I am so excited to open this up and check it out, so let's do it together. Opening up the box, it gives you a list of the key features, like the fact that it covers up to 2,000 square feet, it uses waterless diffusion technology, it has a built-in booster fan, you can set schedules with it, and it has an app, and then it gives you information for downloading the app. It also has a list of what comes in the box. So opening this all the way up, we have our user manual. These are the mounting tools, so you can mount it on the wall. And here is the diffuser. It comes with 2 fragrances. And on this side, we have some more mounting tools, the key, and the charger. Head off to the side. Here is the diffuser, the front and the back. This is where you can mount it. The charging port is on the side, and the mist comes out of this hole here. I absolutely love this sleek design. It'll fit perfectly in among the things in my house. It's not going to stand out, and it doesn't look like a diffuser, which I love. There's a hole at the top with a button that says open, so we do need the key to open it. It comes with 2 keys, so we'll put the key in, twist, and then open her up. So this is what she looks like on the inside. We have our diffuser bottle, some more app information, and 2 indicator lights, the power status indicator and the Bluetooth connection indicator, as well as a reset button. So I'm going to go ahead and download the app, and I will come back.
So this is what the app looks like. I'm going to go ahead and hit that little plus sign in the corner and pair the device that I have. I entered my activation key, and then it takes us to the home page. The app was super easy to use. In the top left corner here, it is counting down the amount of time that the diffuser is running, and then it starts to count down the time between diffusions. I'm going to click the clock in the middle, and this takes me to the screen that I can set my schedule. This is where you can choose how long you want it to diffuse for, how long you want it to pause for, what specific days of the week you want it to run, and what times of the day you want it to run. Then going back to our main page, we can choose settings. This is where you can specify things like the name of your device, the location that you have it in, which is super helpful if you have more than one, and if you want the booster fan to be on or not. Then going back to the home screen one more time to show you my favorite feature, the oil calculator. This is where you can set the specifications of your device, and it will tell you how long the essential oil that you have in there will last. This is super helpful for planning on when you need to order your next set of oils, and also just to play around for general curiosity.
Okay, so I have my diffuser. It is plugged in, and it comes with the 4 Seasons 100 milliliter fragrance, or the Hilton inspired 100 milliliter fragrance. I think I'm gonna go with the Hilton. They both smell delicious. The 4 Seasons is just a little bit more soapy than the Hilton. Twist and open. And this is where the fragrance goes. So we're just going to twist this off, dump our fragrance in. It does say you should clean it once a month, and it comes with instructions for cleaning. All right, so screw this back on tight. And then put it back in here. Okay, so we can see our power is on, our Bluetooth is connected. So we're going to close it and lock it. So I just went to the app and I set a schedule to diffuse for 5 seconds and then turn off for 5 seconds. I mean, it smells incredible. I don't know if you can hear it or see. It's very quiet and it's hard to see the steam, though I did turn on the booster fan, which said that diffuses the steam a little bit, but it helps spread the scent throughout the room. So let's turn the booster fan off and see what difference that makes. Okay, so I turned the booster fan off and I set it to diffuse for 10 seconds and pause for 5, and I think you can definitely see steam coming off now. It smells incredible. It does exactly what it's supposed to. I love that it has an app that I can track everything with. I'm not going to mount mine. I will probably just put it on the entry table by my front door. I'm thrilled with this product. It was so easy to set up, it's so easy to use, and it works beautifully. So thank you so much to Airversa for sending this to me so that I could share it with you.